Hi, in this video we will be talking about quitting your 9-to-5 and becoming your own boss. Watch this video to the end to delve into the essential steps and strategies for making the transition from employee to entrepreneur. Welcome back to the International CEO. In today's world, the traditional 9-to-5 job is no longer the only path to success. With the rise of entrepreneurship and the gig economy, more people are exploring the possibility of becoming their own boss. Quitting your 9-to-5 job to pursue your entrepreneurial dreams can be both exhilarating and daunting. However, with the right mindset, preparation, and guidance, it can also be the first step towards a fulfilling and prosperous career. In this ultimate guide, we will delve into the essential steps and strategies for making the transition from employee to entrepreneur. Assess your motivation and readiness. Before taking the leap into entrepreneurship, it's crucial to assess your motivation and readiness. Ask yourself why you want to quit your 9-to-5 job and become your own boss. Are you seeking more freedom, autonomy, or financial independence? Do you have a passion or business idea that you're eager to pursue? Assessing your motivations will help clarify your goals and determine if entrepreneurship is the right path for you. Additionally, evaluate your readiness to become an entrepreneur. Consider your skills, experience, and resources. Develop a solid business idea. One of the first steps in quitting your 9-to-5 job and becoming your own boss is to develop a solid business idea. This idea should be based on your passions, skills, and market demand. Conduct thorough market research to identify potential opportunities and assess the viability of your business concept. Consider factors such as target audience, competition, and potential profitability. Once you have a clear business idea, develop a comprehensive business plan. Build your skills and network. Quitting your 9-to-5 job to become your own boss requires a diverse skill set and a strong network of support. Take advantage of opportunities to build your skills through workshops, courses, and networking events. Invest in areas such as business management, marketing, finance, and leadership. Networking is also essential for success as an entrepreneur. Connect with other professionals in your industry, attend industry conferences, and join networking groups both online and offline. Building relationships with mentors, peers, and potential collaborators can provide valuable support, guidance, and opportunities for growth. Create a financial plan. Quitting your 9-to-5 job and starting your own business often involves financial risk and uncertainty. Before making the leap, create a comprehensive financial plan to ensure that you're prepared for the challenges ahead. Assess your current financial situation, including savings, assets, and debts. Determine how much money you'll need to start and sustain your business until it becomes profitable. Consider alternative sources of funding such as personal savings, loans, investors, or crowdfunding. Explore options for reducing expenses and increasing revenue, such as bootstrapping, outsourcing, or partnerships. Develop a transition strategy. Quitting your 9-to-5 job and becoming your own boss is a significant life change that requires careful planning and preparation. Develop a transition strategy to ensure a smooth and successful transition from employee to entrepreneur. Consider factors such as timing, logistics, and communication with your employer. Give your employer sufficient notice and resign professionally to maintain a positive relationship and leave on good terms. Consider options such as part-time work, freelancing, or consulting to supplement your income during the transition period. Embrace the entrepreneurial mindset. Quitting your 9-to-5 job and becoming your own boss requires a shift in mindset from employee to entrepreneur. Embrace the entrepreneurial mindset by cultivating traits such as resilience, creativity, adaptability, and risk-taking. Understand that entrepreneurship is a journey filled with challenges, setbacks, and uncertainty. Stay focused on your goals and remain flexible in the face of obstacles and changes. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people who believe in your vision and can provide encouragement and guidance along the way. Take action and stay committed. Quitting your 9-to-5 job and becoming your own boss is a bold decision that requires courage, determination, and persistence. Once you've made the decision to pursue entrepreneurship, take action and stay committed to your goals. Break down your goals into actionable steps and prioritize tasks to make progress consistently. Stay disciplined and organized in managing your time, resources, and priorities. Set realistic deadlines and hold yourself accountable for achieving them. Celebrate small victories along the way and stay focused on the long-term vision for your business. In the first part of this ultimate guide, we explored the initial steps of quitting your 9-to-5 job and becoming your own boss, including assessing your motivation and readiness, developing a solid business idea, building your skills and network, creating a financial plan, developing a transition strategy, embracing the entrepreneurial mindset, taking action, and staying committed. In this continuation, we will delve deeper into the practical aspects of launching and growing your own business, as well as navigating the challenges and opportunities of entrepreneurship. Launch your business. After laying the groundwork for your entrepreneurial venture, it's time to officially launch your business. This phase involves bringing your business idea to life, establishing your brand, and attracting your first customers. Register your business. Choose a suitable legal structure for your business, such as sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, or LLC, limited liability company. Register your business name and obtain any necessary licenses or permits to operate legally in your jurisdiction. Build your brand. Develop a strong brand identity that reflects your values, mission, and unique selling proposition. Create a compelling logo, website, and marketing materials that resonate with your target audience and differentiate you from competitors. Set up operations. Establish the infrastructure and processes needed to run your business smoothly. This may include setting up a physical location, acquiring equipment or technology, hiring employees or contractors, and implementing systems for sales, marketing, accounting, and customer service. Launch marketing campaigns. Generate buzz and attract customers by launching targeted marketing campaigns across various channels, such as social media, email marketing, content marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, and paid advertising. Provide exceptional customer service. Prioritize customer satisfaction and build strong relationships with your customers from day one. Provide excellent customer service, listen to feedback, and address any issues promptly and professionally. Happy customers are more likely to become repeat buyers and advocates for your brand. Manage your finances wisely. Financial management is essential for the success and sustainability of your business. As a new entrepreneur, it's crucial to monitor your finances closely and make informed decisions to maximize profitability and minimize risk. Here are some tips for managing your finances wisely. Track income and expenses. Keep accurate records of your income and expenses using accounting software or tools. Monitor cash flow regularly to ensure you have enough funds to cover expenses and invest in growth opportunities. Create a budget. Develop a realistic budget that outlines your projected revenues and expenses for the coming months or years. Allocate resources strategically to prioritize essential activities and investments while minimizing unnecessary costs. Monitor key metrics. Identify key performance indicators, KPIs, relevant to your business and track them regularly to measure progress and identify areas for improvement. Examples of KPIs may include sales growth, customer acquisition cost, profit margin, and customer retention rate. Plan for taxes. Understand your tax obligations as a business owner and plan accordingly to minimize tax liabilities. Consult with a tax advisor or accountant to ensure compliance with tax laws and take advantage of any available deductions or credits. Build an emergency fund. Prepare for unexpected expenses or downturns in business by building an emergency fund. Set aside a portion of your revenue each month to cover emergencies or unforeseen challenges without jeopardizing your business operations. Adapt and innovate. The business landscape is constantly evolving, and successful entrepreneurs must be agile and adaptable to stay ahead of the curve. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth and innovation, and be willing to experiment with new ideas and strategies. Here are some ways to adapt and innovate in your business. Attend industry conferences, read industry publications, and engage with thought leaders to stay ahead of the competition. Listen to customer feedback. Pay attention to customer feedback and use it to identify areas for improvement and innovation. Solicit feedback through surveys, reviews, and social media interactions, and incorporate customer insights into product development and service delivery. Foster a culture of innovation. Encourage creativity, collaboration, and risk-taking within your organization to foster a culture of innovation. Empower employees to generate and share ideas, experiment with new approaches, and challenge the status quo. Adapt to market changes. Be responsive to changes in market conditions, consumer preferences, and competitive pressures. Adapt your products, services, pricing, and marketing strategies as needed to remain relevant and competitive in the marketplace. Embrace technology. Leverage technology to streamline operations, enhance customer experiences, and drive growth. Explore new tools, software, and digital platforms that can help automate tasks, improve efficiency, and unlock new opportunities for your business. Cultivate a strong team. Building a talented and motivated team is essential for scaling your business and achieving long-term success. Surround yourself with individuals who share your vision, values, and work ethic, and empower them to contribute their unique skills and perspectives. Here are some tips for cultivating a strong team. Hire strategically. Take a strategic approach to hiring by identifying the skills, qualities, and cultural fit you're looking for in potential team members. Conduct thorough interviews and assessments to ensure candidates align with your business goals and values. Invest in training and development. Invest in training and development programs to help employees develop their skills, knowledge, and capabilities. Provide opportunities for continuous learning and growth to keep your team engaged and motivated. Foster open communication. Foster open and transparent communication within your team to promote collaboration, innovation, and problem-solving. Encourage feedback, listen to concerns, and address any issues or conflicts proactively and constructively. Delegate effectively. Delegate tasks and responsibilities effectively to empower your team members and free up time for strategic decision-making and business growth. Trust your team to deliver results and provide support and guidance as needed. Celebrate milestones, achievements, and successes to boost morale and foster a positive work environment. Scale your business. Once your business is up and running successfully, you may consider scaling it to reach new markets, expand your offerings, and increase profitability. Scaling a business requires careful planning, resource allocation, and execution. Here are some strategies for scaling your business effectively. Identify growth opportunities. Identify potential growth opportunities by analyzing market trends, customer demand, and competitive landscape. Explore new markets, product lines, or distribution channels that align with your core competencies and strategic objectives. Invest in infrastructure. Invest in the infrastructure and resources needed to support business growth, such as technology, equipment, facilities, and personnel. Streamline processes. Streamline your business processes and operations to improve efficiency, reduce costs, and increase productivity. Automate repetitive tasks, eliminate bottlenecks, and standardize workflows to create a lean and agile organization. Expand your reach. Expand your reach and market presence through targeted marketing and sales efforts. Foster strategic partnerships. Collaborate with strategic partners, suppliers, or distributors to leverage their resources, expertise, and networks. Forming strategic partnerships can help accelerate growth, mitigate risks, and unlock new opportunities for your business. Prioritize self-care. As an entrepreneur, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and grind of building and growing your business. However, prioritizing self-care is essential for maintaining your physical, mental, and emotional well-being. Make time for activities that nourish and recharge you, such as exercise, meditation, hobbies, and spending time with loved ones. Set boundaries around work hours and commitments to prevent burnout and maintain a healthy work-life balance. Remember that taking care of yourself is not only essential for your own health and happiness but also for the success of your business. Seek continuous learning. The journey of entrepreneurship is a continuous learning process filled with opportunities for growth and development. Stay curious and proactive in seeking out new knowledge, skills, and experiences that can benefit your business. Invest in ongoing education and professional development through courses, workshops, seminars, and networking events. Surround yourself with mentors, advisors, and peers who can offer valuable insights, guidance, and support. Embrace challenges as learning opportunities and approach each obstacle with a growth mindset. By committing to continuous learning and improvement, you can stay ahead of the curve and drive innovation and success in your business. Stay resilient in the face of challenges. Entrepreneurship is not without its challenges and setbacks. From financial struggles to market downturns to unforeseen crises, you will inevitably encounter obstacles along the way. However, what sets successful entrepreneurs apart is their ability to stay resilient in the face of adversity. Cultivate resilience by reframing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning. Maintain a positive outlook and focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems. Seek support from mentors, peers, and loved ones during difficult times. Remember that setbacks are temporary, and with perseverance and determination, you can overcome any obstacle and emerge stronger than before. Give back to your community. As you build and grow your business, consider how you can give back to your community and make a positive impact beyond profits. Look for opportunities to support local charities, nonprofit organizations, and social causes that align with your values and mission. Volunteer your time, expertise, or resources to help those in need and contribute to the greater good. Engage your employees and customers in philanthropic initiatives to foster a sense of purpose and community within your organization. By giving back to your community, you not only make a difference in the lives of others but also create a more meaningful and fulfilling business legacy. Quitting your 9-to-5 job and becoming your own boss is a transformative journey that offers the opportunity for personal growth, fulfillment, and prosperity. By following the strategies outlined in this ultimate guide and staying committed to your goals, you can navigate the challenges of entrepreneurship and build a successful and sustainable business. Remember to prioritize self-care, seek continuous learning, stay resilient in the face of challenges, and give back to your community along the way. With dedication, perseverance, and a passion for making a difference, you can create a life and career on your own terms and leave a lasting impact on the world. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, hit that bell, comment, and subscribe for more content on the International CEO. See you next time.